How to chat with friends on Roblox. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can chat with friends on Roblox. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. Go ahead and open up the Roblox application in your mobile device. And once you open it up, you should be logged in. If you have not, you can just log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be finding this dashboard on your screen. So the next step, in order to chat with someone on Roblox, bottom dashboard, you'll be finding different options available. So go ahead and look at the option called Party. This one right here, right beside Avatar. Go ahead and tap on it. And here, in order to send message to someone and start a conversation and chat with someone, you'll be finding the list of friends you have added on your Roblox right below the communities. Otherwise, you can also tap on the plus icon in the top right corner and add up your friends by selecting and tap on create at the top and create a community for yourself. Otherwise, you can also search for the people right here under this section. Once you've found the people, go to the person and you can just go to that person with whom it is available. After that, type in a text and tap on send. Once that is done, that is how you start up a conversation. So that is how you do it and chat with friends on Roblox. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.